Hi, Luke here from Petrol Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Kia Cerato, stock number 6016. This ran from 10th 2008 to the 3rd 2013. It has a G4KD 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a G4KD 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. The front headlight needs polish. Front bonnet no dents. Left front guard no dents. Left front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front headlight with sun cracks. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.